Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this thoroughly to take your decision. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of natural gas futures in a weekly time frame first. So here you can see a weekly chart of natural gas futures. So here you can see that during the last week the natural gas futures formed a bullish candle which looks evident enough for continuation of this uptrend because this candle has been successfully formed above this uptrend. Here you can see that I have constructed one uptrend from the lows of the 1.469 when the natural gas futures tested these lows during this fall from the levels of 2.682 what they tested during the month of October. And here you can see that after testing the lows of $1.48 the natural gas futures continued this rally and faced some resistance at the 200 days moving average at the levels of $2.682 and moved downward. But once again after testing the lows of $1.8 the natural gas futures started an uptrend from the levels of $1.785 and continued this uptrend, whereas the natural gas futures have tested the highs of $3.396 on last Friday and finally closed the week at the levels of $3.390. So friends, here I find that this weekly candle looks evident enough for continuation of this uptrend up to the levels of $3.711. During the upcoming week, we could see a bounce from these levels up to these highs. So here you can see that the same bullish candle was formed during the last week of October 2018. And here you can see that the same candle was formed here at the levels of $3.126. So this weekly candle resulted in a gap up opening during the next week where the next candle was formed above the levels of the 3.468. So friends, here I find that this weekly candle could result in a gap up opening on the first trading session of the upcoming week where the natural gas futures could start the upcoming week above the levels of $3.441 and continue this rally up to the levels of $3.8. During the upcoming week we could see a sharp bouncing move. Friends, here I find that the need of the hour is to remain cautious because here I find that in case of a sharp upward move, the natural gas futures could find a tough resistance at the levels of $3.726. But on the other hand, if the natural gas futures find a gap down opening below the levels of $3.323, the natural gas futures could see some sell off from the levels of $3.244, where the natural gas futures once again could test the lows of $3.106 during the upcoming week. Friends, here the need of the hour is to remain very cautious because now I find that this move has extended the levels of risk and reward ratio. From here I find that a sustained move above the levels of $3.3 during the upcoming week will keep this uptrend intact in natural gas futures, where the natural gas futures look ready to form the next week of this season where the natural gas futures could test the highs of $4.2 during the month of November. So friends, be cautious and don't trade without a stop loss order at these levels. Now let us check this move in a daily time frame. So here in a daily time frame, here you can see that the natural gas futures look very decisive above the levels of $3.317. Here you can see that in a daily chart the natural gas futures have formed a bullish candle on October 29, which has been confirmed by the candle formed on October 30th. So here I find that this could result in continuation of this upward move in natural gas futures. But here I find that the natural gas futures could find immediate support at the levels of $3.107. In case of a downward move, we will see the next support could be seen at the levels of $2.981 and the final support could be seen at the levels of $2.889, from where the natural gas futures could find a sharp bounce back if the natural gas futures find a downward move from these levels. During the upcoming week, we will see the natural gas futures could remain very volatile from these levels. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.